Welcome to a new series of Indian Lit Legends. So, I'm starting with this series wherein we're going to talk about some of the very important Indian English writers in 3 minutes. So, today we celebrate one of the greatest voices in Indian English literature, which is R.K. Narayan, the man who made Malgudi a household name. R.K. Narayan born in 1906 in Madras. बहुत बड़ा नाम है इनका. Thankfully, it has been shortened to R.K. Narayan, who brought small town India to the world through his fictional town Malgudi. Very quirky, very nostalgic, and deeply Indian in setting, Malgudi became the soul of his storytelling. Now, which are some of his most iconic works? We have Swami and Friends, 1935, which is a coming of age tale that actually introduced Malgudi. We have The Bachelor of Arts, which is about self-discovery and about disillusionment. We have The English Teacher. It's a poignant novel which is based on the loss of his own wife. And the most famous, The Guide. It's his most famous novel, winner of the Sahitya Academy Award. Later also adapted into a Bollywood film. Guide may we have Narayan, who explores transformation from a tourist guide to a spiritual guru, raising questions about identity, performance and morality. इनके वर्क्स में कुछ रेकरिंग थीम्स हैं, जैसे कि वी हैव कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन ट्रेडिशन एंड मॉडर्निटी, वी हैव मिडिल क्लास aspirations versus the daily struggles. Then we have subtle humor and quiet irony. So he had a rare gift, making the ordinary extraordinary. One important thing is that he was supported by one British author. उनका नाम था Graham Greene. Narayan gained international fame. He was later awarded the Padma Vibhushan and he was also nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature. Now, for literature students, R.K. Narayan is essential reading for post-colonial fiction, early Indian English narratives, and also simple yet profound storytelling. He's a writer, not merely someone who writes, he gives people a voice. And that's what R.K. Narayan had quoted also. I quote, "A writer is not merely someone who writes, he gives people a voice," unquote. So do you love Indian literature or are you preparing for it? So do follow for more 3 minutes journey into legendary writers that you're going to explore in further short videos. Keep watching, like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.